We're a multi-service company. We look after customers from all aspects of insurance through finance, mortgages, accountancy and legal services. We have very experienced people in every area. Our staff usually stay a long time. A lot of our staff we've employed for 18, 20 years and more. The directors that founded the company had 50 years experience in financial services when they set the company up 27 years ago. So we built the company on customer service and basically looking after people and getting to know people.
The client's the main importance of home and finance. At the end of the day, that's what it's all about. Happy client, happy home and finance. I went to financial services when I was 17 I think. Worked for a big company, set home and finance up with business partners 20 odd years ago, and I enjoy my job basically. I've looked after people all my life, I enjoy what I do. I think I do a good job and I think they get well looked after. And that's the home and finance statement really. And it got started basically by us wanting to offer the service we were giving from the company we worked for, and that company was sort of moving away from that type of service really. So we wanted to give customer service and live in the area we were brought up in and enjoyed living in. And the company we worked for moved people around all the time. And you got to know a client and you moved on, which I didn't want to do basically. And that's what we do. We build a relationship with the client, with the family, with everybody that's connected to the client, and just look after the family unit basically.
You know my fees are quite expensive, don't you?
He said, I want to do something that feels like last summer wine. I said, I know just the person.
Hey, you're going to get a shot when you get me bill. My name's Alan Milmine. I'm from Beckermet Gardens in Barrow. I've been with Home and Finance for over in excess of 10 years. I've had mortgages, investments, what else? All my insurances. Just happy with the service. The service is first class. We're very friendly. Superb, knowledgeable. I've never had any problems whatsoever, and I just find I get top-class service.
We set up in days when customer services, I think, was important. As the financial services world has changed, we have had to change and keep pace with those changes. But by the same token, the core of the business is run round looking after the customer, trying to get the customer happy. In investment terms, for instance, we don't want customers that are unhappy that we're taking risks with investments that we shouldn't be taking. We monitor the customer's risk, we give ongoing reviews, usually twice or thrice yearly, and keep the customer on tune, keep them happy. We have offices in the major markets in Furness, Barrow in Furness, Ulverston here, Millham further up the coast, and each of the offices are set up in a relaxed manner with coffee and catering facilities right through to full meals. The idea being that we try and create a community feel so that the customers relaxed in the office, feel they can drop in when they want. Equally, customers make appointments for full reviews, but if they ever want to see us, we're approachable and usually here. If we're not here, we're out with the customer.
My name's Claire Watts. I'm the Independent Financial Advisor in the Barrow branch of Home and Finance. Obviously there's the estate agent side that's in the window, there's the cafe side, but there's my side of things, the independent financial advice, the mortgages, we've got the insurance side, the lettings, the rental business, and we also have Kelly doing the legal work for us now. It's really good because it means that we can offer a full service to the client and that everything is under one roof. So for example, with the legal service being in-house now, that's great because I can liaise with the solicitor and offer a really good service for the clients rather than it being out of our hands sometimes. So having everything under one roof means that we can give that full service to clients.
I think the difference is we offer everything. We offer all around financial planning, lifestyle planning, and we look after the client at the end of the day. We want to build a relationship with the client for the life of the client's family, not just one-hit wonder, if you will. I have a lot of regular clients I've dealt with for 25 years plus, sons and daughters of, and then sons and daughters of again. And it just builds, and that's what we want it to be like.
I've been with Home and Finance for 16 years. I was actually recommended by various friends and people that I know to come and see Kevin Walsh, who is the director of Home and Finance. about my retirement needs, as I was not quite familiar with all that type of thing. And as time progressed before I retired, Kevin sent me several packages, and I felt very comfortable, and going into another phase of my life, I had good support and good backing with Kevin. Home and Finance, we've always been kind of regarded as the family. My wife isn't here today, but she normally comes and we have a cup of coffee, and on several occasions I invite Kevin to come and see me at my home, and it's just a family occasion really, and we get on very, very well, and it's a good nice place to come.
I'm going to get past. All right.
Have you been videoed yet? The quality of service that's provided, which is excellent. The friendliness of the staff, and I'm just very happy with everything. I've used other financial advisors in the past, used other insurance brokers, but I think the service that Home and Finance give is excellent. In my case this year it's been excellent, because I was unfortunate enough to have a heart attack in January, and therefore a little thing like travel insurance became a problem. But I phoned Home and Finance, and they managed to arrange travel insurance for me at a very reasonable cost, covering all of Europe and North Africa, including anything that might go wrong with the heart.
I used to work abroad, so I needed somewhere what to do with my money, and I knew one of the Home and Finance directors, and so I came with them, and I've never been wrong. It's always been a good decision. They've helped me over all the years, various things with insurances, investments, wills, and I'm quite happy with the service I've received from them. Also a very friendly crowd, nobody wants to leave. Most of the staff have been here years, so it is like a family outfit, so you know everybody, even when you phone up, you know who's on the phone sort of thing, so, and I think that's good. Well, the service I've had over the years has been excellent, and as I say, very friendly, good advice, so therefore I would recommend it to anybody. In fact, I recommended it to Peter. So.
We're a bit different because we actually do, look after people, to be fair. We don't sit in office waiting for things to happen. We go out, we visit people in their homes. I do mainly more home visits than office. And again, that suits the client, suits us. I think the cafes bring people in on a regular basis, so you're having a lot of regular contact with people that you couldn't do in a day-to-day job. I probably see regular people coming here at least 2 or 3 times a week, some of them. Others will pop in every couple of months, so you've got the contact all the time with the people. And you're offering them something different when they come in, and making it feel homely again. So it's an extension of their living room, basically.
How proud does it make you that Home and Finance is so well, has such a good stronghold within this West Cumbria region?
I think it makes me very proud. I think at the end of the day I enjoy what I do. I enjoy living where I live, and I enjoy living amongst the people I'm advising. There's certain times when, I'm just, it doesn't become work. It's enjoyable, and I've got a lot of friends and a lot of friendships built up over the years with clients, and all that's sort of good, really.